In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror your camera in Microsoft Teams. This can be really useful if you're looking to see your video the same way your audience does during meetings. Let's dive right in. First, you need to make sure that Microsoft Teams is up and running on your computer. If it's not already open, just locate the Teams icon on your desktop or find it through your Start menu and launch it. With Teams open, navigate over to your profile picture or initials, located at the top right corner of the window. Click on this to open a drop-down menu with various options. From there, select Settings to open the Settings panel. Once the Settings panel opens, you'll notice a list of categories on the left-hand side. You're looking for the category labeled Devices. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Device Settings page. Now, within this page, there's a section specifically for the camera. This is where you'll be able to adjust the camera settings to suit your preferences. Look for the live video preview. It will show the current view of your camera. Here comes the crucial part. In the camera settings, you need to find the option that says Mirror My Video. This option may not be labeled exactly like that, as Microsoft Teams often updates its interface and features. But ensure you look for any checkbox or toggle related to mirroring. Make sure this option is selected if you want to reflect your camera feed. To confirm that your changes have been applied successfully, refer back to your live video preview. Notice the difference as toggling the setting should reverse the video, showing you what others see during the call. It's a neat trick, making everything appear a bit more intuitive, especially when you're trying to point out things on screen or using a background. And that's all you need to do to mirror your camera in Microsoft Teams. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference, ensuring your video looks the way you want it during meetings. If at any point you wish to turn off the mirroring, you can just follow these same steps and uncheck the option. Before we wrap up, I do want to offer a quick tip. Sometimes you might need to restart Teams after making changes to see them reflected fully. So if you don't see the changes immediately, a quick restart of the app should do the trick. Furthermore, keep an eye on updates, as Microsoft is known to tweak features frequently based on user feedback. Thank you for joining me today to learn about mirroring your camera in Microsoft Teams. I hope